Hey guys, it's Dreams, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Creative Journal sets. So yeah, let's get right into reviewing it. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. Also, I will put a link in the description to this on Amazon. And yeah, so you can look at it there. But yeah. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got an elastic band to keep it shut so you can put it in your backpack or bag, so that's nice. So also I have opened this and looked at it, but I haven't really done anything with it. Just kind of looked so I'm ready for what's inside. But yeah, so when you open it, there's 3 multi-sided color pencils. So I have never really used multi-sided color pencils, and I'm quite excited because I've heard they are pretty fun to use. So then there is a fine tip pen, I'm assuming, and also 2 washi tapes. These are such cute designs. And also this is a notebook. So you can see it's in the actual thing, but then you can it's just the back cover. It's in, so you can actually take it out and write in there, do whatever. It's actually got thick pages. That's 1 page. That's pretty thick. They're gridded. Also, it's a nice light blue cover. There's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm excited to get into opening it and feeling it and see what it's like. Okay, so there is a protector plastic case thingamajig on here. So I'm gonna pull it off and then put that to the side. So here are the colored pencils. On one there is blue and pink. This one is purple and green. And the last one is gray and black. I probably end up using this for shading or thickening up lines. So yeah, those are the colored pencils. This is the fine tipped pen. That's really fine tip. I use that for outlining stuff or tracing over on pencil lines to make it darker. So yeah, I like that. Here are the washi tapes. They're really cute. I use washi tapes actually a lot. I have a whole collection. And so I can add these to the collection. I use them for if I paint, which is rare, but I do, I'll use them to put them around the outside and it'll keep the paint from getting there. It's pretty. But anyways, I use washi tapes and they're really fun designs. So next there is this creative journaling project book. I'm assuming it just has ideas. Yeah, this says trackers and getting started with creative journal, all that type of stuff. I'm kind of excited to look in here. I mean, I might not use this all for journaling, but I might use some of it. This is kind of cute. I probably will end up doing some, so yeah. Next I see there are coloring sheets. There's 4 sheets in here. Just stuff do this or no one can stop me today or something like that. That's kind of fun. I do use stickers quite a lot. I've got kind of a sticker collection too. So yeah, that's fun. I'm just gonna put some stuff back, and then I guess now I'll get to swatching it in the book. Okay, so here I've got all the supplies and the book. I'm just gonna go to the first page, and I guess I'll just start swatching. Okay, so now I've swatched them all, including the 2 tapes, which are really cute. so these are all the colors, and then this is the final. I also found that for some reason the black one glides a little bit more easily on the paper. I'm not really sure why, but it kind of felt cool. The other ones were kind of like a little bit like more normal pencils, like they were kind of scratchy and stuff, but this one was kind of, it felt a little bit different. So I don't know, maybe it's just different something, maybe because it's black or something. But anyways, yeah, this is all the thingamajiggies. I didn't really put the stickers down because I don't really need to swatch stickers or anything, but I guess now I'll draw something. I don't really have any idea what I'm gonna draw, but anyways, I guess I will draw something, think of something and draw it. Also, guys, I maybe didn't mention that in this picture, I'm going to be attempting to use like all the pencils, including the black one and the fine liner, which I've already done. Probably not the tapes because I can't fit them in anywhere. But I've already used the fine liner. Also, I did use a pencil, but I've used the fine liner, and I'm gonna use all of these hopefully for my picture. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. Alright, so I finished my drawing. It's simple, but I managed to fit all the colors, including black and gray, and I also did the fine liner. As I said, I didn't put the tapes in because I didn't really have anywhere I could put them in, but anyways, it was really fun using this set. I enjoyed, like, for the first time using sided pencils, and it was very fun using the fine liner. I don't have many fine liners. I have like one and it's starting to have ink, so this is nice. And I also love the packaging. It's a nice box, and you can use the elastic to seal it, so that's really fun. And also I love this kind of like notebook. It's got tons of pages, thick pages, a really nice color, and it's just nice and plain, and it's pretty big actually compared to my hand. You can see it's about the size of my hand, even a little bit bigger. So yeah, I Loved using everything. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I will leave the link in the description for this kit. And until next time, guys, goodbye.